Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of GMGN mobile application. So GMGN is basically a trading terminal and they have a web app as well, so you can either use that. But for this video I'm going to specifically cover the Android phone app, and as you can see this is the homepage. There are lots of features that we'll be going over. First of all, let's talk about the chains that are supported. Currently they support Solana, Binance, Robinhood Chain, Base, Ethereum, Stable, Arc, Xlayer, Hype, Mega, Monarch and Tron. You can trade the crypto tokens, specifically meme coins that are launched on any of these chains. These days, in the trending and most popular blockchain where meme coins are being launched is Robinhood, and after that it's Solana, and then BNB or Base. Let's review the tranches. These are the newly launched tokens on Solana blockchain, so you can switch to your preferred blockchain from this menu here. And you can also have a fusion mode in which they'll showcase the tokens launched on Binance and Solana, and then they also have a fusion mode for Solana and Robinhood chain. It's a quite cool feature. And then you also have filters here. You can filter using the platform where the token is launched, and then we also have a preset. You can set up your own presets for buying and selling. You can customize it according to your preferences. And yeah, another cool thing about the presets is that you can customize it for each individual blockchain. And on the top we have the almost bonded section. Then we have the migrated ones that are migrated to Radium, since we are currently reviewing the Solana tokens only. Let me switch to fusion mode for Solana and Robinhood chain. Okay, so now let's open a random token that I can give you a clear overview of the trading interface. As you can see here, they have quite a overview, scanner and holders, inside snipers, status of DEX and developer holding, and the chances of rug. And then we have the activity tab and KOS, then holders and trader, dev token. Overall it has quite a lot of features like Padre or Axiom, but neither Padre or Axiom has a dedicated mobile app. They have web apps that you can either install on your device, but it doesn't work as smooth as this app here. On the top you have a bookmark option, and you can also set up price alerts and also use the callout function. And now let's review the track feature. This is the wallet tracker feature. It's also quite useful. You can track the alphas or top traders. Let's suppose we wanted to check who's the top trader on Robinhood. You can follow these recommended wallets, or you can also add your own. Once you have added, it starts tracking your activity. And then we have the signal feature here. So this shares their latest trades. And then we have the callout. This is like a social feed. This showcases all the callouts or tweets from crypto traders. And then we have X Tracker, where you can add Twitter accounts to monitor their tweets and activity. And then again we have these signal. Then we have the copy trading feature, as where you can copy other crypto traders and follow their strategies. This is also a very useful tool, and this feature allows you to customize what you want to copy, their buying and sell call, as well as take profit, stop loss, and dev sell. Lots of other features that you can customize according to your preferences. And the lightning mode is also quite exceptional. It's basically boost your copy trade speed. It says here by 2 seconds. And we have a tutorial section that you can review if you want to learn more about how copy trading works on GMGN. So I'll include the link in the video's description. As you can see, there's this profit and loss calendar as well that gives us an overview of the trader's P&L across either 1 day chart or 3 days or for the whole month. And going back, let's review the portfolio. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can trade, buy and sell on GMGN. As you can see, this is the default preset. You can either do instant orders or market or limit orders as well. Same is applicable on sell orders as well. And now let me show you how to deposit funds in your GMGN wallet. If you want to do on-chain transfer, you can select first of all the chain. These are the supported chains. For Solana, you simply copy the wallet address. These are the receiving address for Solana and USDC. And you can also swap or bridge different crypto assets. Let's copy the USDC wallet address for Solana, and then we can deposit from Phantom. I'm going to send USDC to my GMGN wallet. Let me paste the wallet address here for USDC, and let's start with this amount. I'm simply going to confirm it. Okay, and as you can see, it's already showing up here. And the second option is to buy using credit or debit card, which is powered by MoonPay, and you can utilize that service so that you can either purchase using Fiat through credit, debit card, PayPal, or even Google Pay. The minimum order or the amount that is required for the deposit using third-party payment option is $25. And now let's review these settings. So as you can see, these are the settings you can trade with USDX. That means you can enable and disable the trading pairs. And then we have trade settings. Quick buy, you can customize and create presets for your preferred blockchain or network. And multi-wallet trading, this can also be enabled and disabled. Then we have the security settings and also the wallet manager. You can import wallets or create new wallets. And then we have language settings. These are the languages that are currently supported for the GMGN user interface. And then we have the preferences. You can customize the appearance, switch to light or dark mode, and color preference for the chart. And then to name translation, clipboard access, vibration feedback. And then we also have help and support channel. This is it, and in my next video I'm going to be covering Padre and XCM as well. Before I end this video, let me just show you the withdrawal method and withdrawal fees. Okay, so I talked about the deposits and you can create your swap it. And then we also have the convert function, which is the same thing, and they have these launchpads and bridge service, relay, bridge, and bridgers, and CCTP for swapping and bridging to other blockchains. And then we have the transfer option as well as consolidating or distributing the wallet and funds. So now let's review the withdrawal option. And you have two options. You can do on-chain withdrawal as well as fiat withdrawal. For fiat withdrawal, you can either withdraw to your bank account, ACH, to PayPal. And let's review in the buy option, like I mentioned, the price, the minimum order limit. Let's suppose we want to buy in euros. Yeah, the minimum order is 25 euros. And same goes for using PayPal, it's 25 euros, more or less the same thing. Okay, so now let's review the on-chain withdrawal function. I'm simply going to withdraw the funds that I deposited for this video. Select USDC from the drop down on the maximum amount, and then I'm gonna select the wallet and we're going to paste it here. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.